Okay, I'm showing you a screen, students, where you can see how we can save our files, our documents, what are the drives which we have. So I'm sharing one screen with you. Kindly please look into the screen very carefully. This is my desktop. Okay, this is my desktop. Here I can now. So student, this is my desktop, whereas this is my PC. You all can see my PC window here, my PC icon here. In my PC means this is my computer. So when I will click on my computer, see, we are having drives here. Oh, this is C drive, this is E drive, F drive, this is E drive, this is G drive, and many we can create more drives if we have some memory also. Okay. Now, in my drives, I have a lot of work. My work is stored, all my folders, all my files have been stored here. In my documents, I have my important files, I have my important documents. In the downloads folder, I can see what all things I have downloaded from the internet, what all things I have from internet which I have downloaded it. Okay. So this is the use of my computer. So using computer folder, we can access all the folders and files stored in a computer. So this is my computer folder. Okay, from here I can access all the files and folders which have been stored in a computer. Okay, it is useful for finding and organizing, moving and copying files in a computer. You can copy the files, you can move it, you can organize your files wherever you want to. Okay, students. Second comes the recycle bin. When we delete a file or folder, it goes directly to the recycle bin. Where is recycle bin? It is on your desktop. You can see the recycle bin over here on the desktop, where I will be moving my pointer. This is my recycle bin. When I'll click on recycle bin has all the deleted files and folders. Suppose these are the files and folders I have deleted. So these are stored in recycle bin. Whatever things I will delete, it will get stored in recycle bin. Okay, when we delete a file or folder, it directly goes to the recycle bin. Now comes the taskbar. Taskbar. What is the taskbar? It is seen at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the taskbar. This is my taskbar. At my bottom, the last, बिल्कुल नीचे you can see the taskbar. I can. This is my taskbar. Okay. This is my taskbar, students. Now, this complete screen is my desktop. Suppose this screen is my desktop screen. This is my desktop. This is my taskbar. This is my taskbar at the bottom. At the bottom, it's my taskbar. Then I have my start button here. This is the arrow which I will be drawing. That will be my start button. See, students, this is Windows 8 on which I am working. But in Windows 7, you will also see the start button here only. Okay. The start button is, this one is the start, this one will be your start button in Windows 7. Okay. And in the same manner, you will see all the icons beside this Windows. This button. And this is the notification area. This is the notification area where I am drawing. This is my notification area. This is my notification area. You all can take screenshot. If you want to take screenshot, you can take screenshot. Okay, you can take screenshot of this page from where you can see, you can directly see that what is desktop, what is taskbar, what is, where is your start button, and where is the notification area. It is always displayed on the right side of the taskbar. Okay, the notification area contains clock icons for programs that usually run in the background. See, we have clock icons here. I have the clock here. This is my networks. Okay, then this here I am having all other icons which I can customize. Suppose this is Bluetooth. This is my Chrome. This is my sound speakers. All these things I have on the notification area, which is at the right side of your taskbar. Okay. Whenever we run a program, its button gets automatically placed on the taskbar. When we always run a program, its button gets automatically placed on the taskbar. Suppose I am running a Chrome here. So in my Chrome, I can see this task in the taskbar in the notification area. I can see Chrome here because I am running Chrome right now. Okay. Now the start button. Let's come to the start button. It's on page number 23. This is probably the most used button on the taskbar. On the taskbar, it is the most used button. This is your start button. A menu displaying major applications. You can see all the application here. But this is Windows 8. In Windows 7, you can see all the application here only. And you can open any application by clicking on any one of them. Okay. Now, students, I'm going to share one video clip with you all.